What if I told you that the reason you feel stressed, angry, anxious, overwhelmed is not because of your life, but because you have not mastered your reactions? What if the chaos isn't outside of you, but inside? Every day, someone disrespects you, something goes wrong, plans fail, people disappoint you, the world doesn't move the way you expect, and in seconds, your peace is gone. But what if you could stay calm, even when everything around you is burning? The ancient Stoics faced war, exile, betrayal, death, and yet they remained steady. Today, I'm going to give you 10 powerful lessons from Stoicism that will help you stay calm no matter what life throws at you. And if you truly understand these, you will become emotionally untouchable. Let's begin. 1. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Most people suffer because they try to control everything. The Stoics had one simple rule: some things are up to you, some things are not. What is up to you? Your thoughts, your choices, your reactions. What is not up to you? Other people's opinions, the weather, the past, the economy, how others treat you. The moment you separate these two, you eliminate unnecessary stress. If it's not in your control, don't give it your emotional energy. Calm begins with clarity. 2. Your reaction is your power. It's not what happens that destroys you, it's how you respond. Two people lose their job. One says, "My life is over." The other says, "This is a new beginning." Same event, different reaction, different future. You cannot control events, but you can control meaning, and meaning creates emotion. Choose your interpretation wisely. 3. Pause before you react. Anger is fast, regret is slow. The Stoics trained themselves to pause before you respond to that message, before you argue, before you defend yourself. Pause, breathe, count to 5. That tiny gap between stimulus and response. That is where your power lives. Calm people are not emotionless, they are disciplined. 4. Expect difficulties. You get upset because you expect life to be smooth. Stoics practiced negative visualization. They imagined people disappointing them, plans failing, criticism coming, not to be pessimistic, but to be prepared. When you expect challenges, you are not shocked by them. And when you are not shocked, you stay calm. 5. Nothing is permanent. This moment will pass. The stress, the embarrassment, the anger, the pain, everything changes. When you remember that nothing lasts forever, you stop overreacting to temporary storms. Calm comes from perspective. 6. Don't take it personally. Most of what people do has nothing to do with you. When someone is rude, they are revealing their character, not attacking yours. When you stop taking everything personally, you stop carrying unnecessary emotional weight. Their behavior belongs to them. Your peace belongs to you. 7. Train your mind daily. Calmness is not automatic, it is trained. The Stoics journaled, reflected, reviewed their day. Ask yourself every night, where did I lose control today? How could I respond better tomorrow? Self-awareness builds emotional strength. You don't become calm by accident. You become calm by practice. 8. Focus on action, not emotion. When something goes wrong, most people focus on how they feel. Stoics focused on what they could do. Instead of saying, "I'm so stressed," ask, "What action can I take right now?" Action reduces anxiety. Movement creates clarity. Calm people don't freeze, they act. 9. Accept reality. As it is, you suffer when you argue with reality. This shouldn't have happened. They shouldn't have done that. This isn't fair. Maybe it isn't, but it happened. Acceptance does not mean approval, it means clarity. When you accept reality, you stop wasting energy fighting what already exists, and you start building what comes next. 10. Remember, you control your inner world. The world can take your money, your job, your status, but only you can give away your inner peace. The Stoics believed this. Your mind is your final territory. Guard it, protect it, train it, because when your inner world is stable, nothing outside can truly shake you. Imagine becoming the person who stays calm when insulted, thinks clearly under pressure, moves steadily in chaos, smiles when others panic. That is power, not loud power, not aggressive power, quiet power. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotion, it is about mastering it. And when you master your emotions, you master your life. Calm is not weakness. Calm is control. Calm is strength. Calm is dominance over yourself. And the person who controls themselves cannot be controlled by the world. If this speaks to you, drop a comment and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Word and Soul for more. Stay strong, stay steady, stay calm.